And Honorable Chair, inserting a new paragraph there to exempt, and I just like to get the attention of the House on this particular one, to exempt accessible services supplied in Kenya by a mobile telecommunication service provider on the sale of a ringback tune to a subscriber. And this, Honorable Chair, applies to the issue of skiza tunes. Honorable Chair, our artists in this country, many of our young people, young artists, Honorable Speaker, sweat, blood and sweat, to be able to record their music, to be able to play their music, and in many instances, Honorable Speaker, they are not rewarded. The reward is very small compared to the investment that these young artists make. Honorable Speaker, if you look at the issue of skiza tunes, Honorable Speaker, I have a skiza tune on my phone. And Honorable Speaker, these artists met with His Excellency the President, met with that sharing formula. The artist gets 16 out of 1 shilling, 16 cents. The taxation is 25 cents. Safaricom gets 51 cents, Honorable Chair. And while today we are not dealing with the issue of sharing, I undertake to bring amendments, Honorable Chair, to the Copyright Act, so that that sharing arrangement is made in such a way that the artists get the bulk of the money. So, Honorable Chair, this particular amendment is for protecting artists across this country, Honorable Chair. And of course, and to really thank His Excellency the President and Right Honorable Raila Odinga for the commitment that they made to these artists to make their lives better. Thank you, Honorable Chair.